Welcome to Cooking Stuff with Starla McGee, where you'll be learning how to make restaurant quality dishes with fresh, simple ingredients. Today we will be doing my air fried crispy mustard chicken. We have our clean chicken here. We've got some almond milk, eggs, flour, and my seasonings I'm using, which you can adjust accordingly. And then I have this yellow mustard. You can use whatever seasoning that you prefer. This is our clean chicken here, and I'm simply pouring the almond milk that I've seasoned with some of the seasonings I just previously showed you right over the chicken so it can soak off all the flavor. And we're just gonna leave that for about 15 minutes. So while our chicken is marinating in that milk wash, we are going to go ahead and just make our egg wash that we are going to bread our chicken with. Now I make mine a little bit different. I love mustard chicken and I always use egg to bread my chicken anyway. So I just add that mustard directly to my egg wash, which you're going to see us do right here. Now I added 3 eggs because I had a little bit more chicken, and per 1 egg you want to do about a tablespoon of that mustard to get the right consistency. Just like this will be just perfect. So if your egg wash came out a little thick and you need to adjust it, just add a little water and you'll just mix that right in. Maybe the yolks were big or whatever the case may be there. This is our chicken after it has sat for about the 15 minutes in the egg wash, and I simply poured off the majority of the liquid, and now I'm adding another layer of the seasoning that I showed you that I combined earlier because I like very flavorful chicken. So I flavor it every step of the way. I flavor the flour, the egg wash a little bit so it's seasoned all the way through. We are now ready to bread this chicken. You'll see I do the egg wash first, and then I am going to put it in my flour while covering with my dry hand so that I don't get clumpy flour over all my fingers, and I'm able to stay somewhat clean while doing this. And you are just going to repeat the process with the rest of the chicken. This isn't my favorite part of it, but I love this. It makes it very juicy, very tender. So get some help, get somebody to help you out and do this part for you if you like. Our first batch is done and has been battered. It looks perfect. Before getting ready to put this chicken into the air fryer, we are going to give it a generous spray of whatever cooking oil that you have or prefer. Go ahead and stack that chicken right in there like so. And then we are going to adjust our timing. I like mine on the chicken setting, which is provided there, in 40 minutes. We are now halfway through of that 40 minutes, and we are just going to go ahead and check this chicken. If you see, we already are getting a wonderful, nice brown color on this chicken. So what I do is I give mine a little toss because you just want to make sure that all of your chicken is able to receive the air that's circulating throughout your air fryer. You can also go ahead and pick them up and adjust them accordingly so that you make sure maybe some pieces are a little crispier in other sections. Turn that one over towards the bottom so that the rest can circulate. I like to do big batches because when I eat chicken, I eat a bunch of it. So all of my batches are big like this. You also want to make sure you just finish off and give a little spray, and we are almost done with our chicken here. All right, our crispy air fried mustard chicken is done. Thank you so much for cooking stuff with Starla McGee. I hope I was able to provide you with the new way to prepare your crispy fried chicken. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube as well as my Instagram. We will see you next time.